Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We came back from North Dakota and got a skunk, so we came to my crappie hole. I caught a little freaking muskie and a freaking worm, but we're going for crappie now, so I'll show you guys that muskie and the shrimp. I know. But let's get out there. Wait a minute, waders. Going through. My phone is very tight, so it won't fall. Using this little pink tube on a bobber. Go to the max level we can go. It's right here. Okay, sure you're ready. And launch that thing out there. Now we just wait. Play a waiting game. Alright, this is our first time seeing my BFS setup, but this is a casting test drill. Put a juicy night crawler on. Well, red worms. Just wrap it around a few times. So you think it's good. And get out there. And dude, I was unhooking a fish, and then I dropped my bait in the water to unhook my fish, and then it's a freaking muskie. A little baby muskie that came out and ate it. So barely cast it out, and then they'll just wait. And then fish on, fish off actually. Ooh! But I caught a freaking white crappie. Ah! Fish on, guys! I lost a big bass earlier too. On the freaking crappie tube. Shoot! He's stuck in the tree! Oh my freaking gosh, bro. Wait, let's see if he just swims out. Oh. Dude, I can see him right there. I know, that's what I'm trying to do. He's out. He's out. Oh, small guy. Freaking smally. I'm sure to give them a good release. Huh? Oh, what are you using? Gold? Green what? Gold? What, gold? Or what? Gold? What crappie? That's a boogie seed! Alright, we're going crappie fishing. Alright, it's been like 20 minutes after. Went back to freaking worms. Let's give it a cast by the docks over there. Hey, there's something by the docks. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, there's something over there. Just let it drift. See, whatever it was, just snipped it. Unless I don't got worm. Oh no, still got it. Alright, let's give it a sling. Back over there. Yeah, fish on! Oh, fish off. God, what? What the actual hell? How diggity, bro. Alright, we'll just go to this plastic. There's fish. Go eat this. But still crazy how I caught the freaking little guy muskie. I'll put it at the beginning of this video. I know I'm talking so much about that freaking stupid muskie, but damn, I never see anyone caught a muskie on a night crawler. Only pike. But let's see if this plastic will work. But this lake has some big ones. Earlier, I lost a freaking 30-pound bass on that freaking pink crappie tube. Oh, no wonder I'm not getting bite. My hook is upside down. Fix it. And then give a sling out there. Perfect cast. Just make sure it don't hit the docks and go Gucci. Just give little twitches. Little twitches. And little twitches. I'll get back to you guys when there's a fish on the line. Not even 2 minutes later, we got fish on the line. Oh, crappie! It's crappie, bro. Freaking crappie. This, huh? The little plastic.
The big one?
No, the one that you said is for ice fishing. Crappie, guys! We got crappie. Crappie. Let's go! Ow, I hooked myself. Ow. Ooh, crappie, guys. That's what you're looking for, huh? On this freaking little crappie jig. See? This is right there. They're hiding inside the tree. I cast it into the tree. They're just inside the tree. You gotta cast it by the tree. Alright. I'll get to you guys when we're there. Alright guys. They're just inside the freaking tree right there. So just get their cast right into the tree. See what the hell slips it up. Maybe we gotta cast a little further. But that was a certified big one, bro. Oh my goodness! He just slurped it down already. I was trying to fix my camera. And he just dumped it. Just get little twitches. Whoa. They're barely picking it. I think they're just picking his tail. Because they're not like eating it. They're just picking the tail. But they're just all in like the barrier over there. So, it's just cast into the tree right there. Oh my goodness. I don't think they're eating it. They're just eating the tail. Unless it's blue gigi. But I'm trying to upload as much as I can. But I was gonna upload in North Dakota, but there's no action. Everyone got skunked. So we left yesterday. What the hell is this? Wait, what the hell? Whatever this thing is big. What the freak? It's a freaking jumbo. Freaking jumbo blue gigi. Woo, loaded.
What you got?
Big gill. Freaking fat. Fatty. Sure to always get him a good release. Never ever throw them. See, some of y'all don't even give them good release. It doesn't really matter how you rig it. They eat it, they eat it. Like another guy. Oh shoot, popped off. But instantly. Unless that's just a one bluegill. I mean one crappie. Let's try casting into that tree. Try casting in. Cast it out there. Whatever this thing is, slurped it. Crappie! You got cast it all the way out there. You got cast it all the way out there. They're crappie, guys. Keep her. Or let me go through. Cast. They're not right there. They're all the way out there. I bombed the cast. Nice crappie. Woo! Taking it to eat. And to the bucket. Alright. Damn, bro, why hooking is so hard? Wait till it go under. The crappie is finicky. Once it go up, they're not hooked. Once it go, you see it go down, you got them. But all the crappie over here, they're just down. All right, guys, forget about bluegill. Makai go crappie fishing. That's gonna be the title. Makai go crappie fishing. Got my spot. Almost tripped on a rock. And then bombed the cast out there. Cause there's one, there's more. Cause they stay in schools. Ooh. Someone just picked it up. They dropped it. Get some twitches. And she's dropping it. Twitch it. They're so finicky. It's forcing him to say no. He wants it, but he's forcing not to eat it. Cause the hook is perfect and everything. Just cast it over here. Oh, something just picked it up right away. Then he dropped it. Been like 30 minutes later, but dude, there's a freaking something chasing a bluegill by that tree, and like something came and bumped my leg, but so far no fish. I don't know why. Crappie ain't here no more, so let's bomb that cast all the way out there. They're just done eating right now. Let's get some twitches and some fish. Cast by the dock over here. And just not get stuck. Oh, shoot, my bobber! Oh, frick. Oh, there goes my bobber. Oh, shoot. Well, I got no more bobber now. That's the problem. Okay, so I think we might have to fish without bobber. No more bobbers. But we gotta fix this backlash first. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys.